Hey friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to clone a project in Grok. So as you can see, I'm in a project right here called Learn AI. But if I want to clone it, I can easily go ahead and click on the project on the left hand side, then click the three dots towards the right hand side of the project name. And here I have clone. I can click on clone and you will see right there that it actually clones the project. And this is going to show you the project name as cloned. And as you can see on the left hand side as well, it shows the two projects right here. So right now you can see that it says cloned. So if you want to rename it, just simply click the three dots right here, then click on rename, and then go ahead and change the name of the project. So I'm going to type in, for example, 2, then go ahead and click away from there, and you will see that the name is renamed. And that's pretty much how you do it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Now you can also change the name right here. If you click towards the left hand side where you have the name of the project, you have a three dots as well, and you can rename it like this, and you can just give it a name as well. So like for example 2. Then to save it, just simply click on the save right here, which is a checkbox, and you will see that it renames as well. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.